Today, we're making a soft cherry streusel cake with a rich flavor and delicate texture. Let's make the cherry compote. In a saucepan, combine 500 grams of frozen cherries and 150 grams of sugar. Simmer for a few minutes until softened. Dissolve 10 grams of cornstarch in 50 milliliters of water and stir it in. Cook until thickened and let it cool completely. Start by whisking 4 eggs with 150 grams of sugar until pale and fluffy. Pour in 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Add 150 grams of sour cream and beat again. Now add 10 grams of baking powder, 10 grams of vanilla sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. And 350 grams of sifted flour. Stir until smooth. Grease a baking pan with butter and dust it with flour. Pour in the batter. Spoon the cooled cherry compote on top. Now for the streusel topping. Combine 50 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, two tablespoons of sugar, and some finely chopped almonds. Mix into a crumbly texture and sprinkle evenly over the batter. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And now the best part, slice and enjoy. Inside, a tender crumb, juicy cherries, and a golden almond crunch on top.